Hello students, today we will learn lesson number 1.3 in time of silver rain. Now I recite the poem. In time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flower lit their heads, and over all the plains the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In times of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls goes singing too, in the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. And this poem is written by the poet Langston Hughes. Now this poet is written by Langston Hughes. So let me tell you about this poet. Langston Hughes was born on February 1st, 1901, Joplin, Missouri, which is in US. And he died on May 22nd, 1967 at the age of 68, New York City, which is in US. He has worked, he was an American poet, social activist, playwright, and the main theme of the poem is springtime, which comes after winter and before summer. Now we'll see one paraphrase. In time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flower lit their heads, and and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. So, in this poem, the poet wants to show how rain adds to the glory and beauty of everything around us. Because of rain, our planets get new life. New grasses also grow, flowers also grow, birds and new growth and beauty all around we can see. And that's all of the new growth. The trees, the grass and birds seems to shout of life, of life, of life. So when it starts raining, what happened? Green grasses grow, flowers also lift their head, then people also get wonder of their life. Many new things happens in their life. Trees grows, birds also grow, many changes happens in their life. So now we'll move on to the second paraphrase. In time of silver rain, the butterfly lifts silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls, in times of silver rain, when spring and life are new. So, in the second paraphrase, what the poet says, the butterfly also spread their wings. Now when it starts raining, butterfly also become very excited, and what changes we can see? They spread their wings and began to fly. They fly up in the sky. It seems as if they have caught the bright colors of the rainbow. Rainbow in Hindi you say Indradhanush. So what changes we can see in butterfly? They began to fly, they spread their wings, and it seemed as if they have caught the bright colors of the rainbow on their delicate and soft wings. The leaves of the trees that fall in the autumn grow back. It seems as though they are singing. Now, the the leaves on the tree that fall in the autumn go back as if they are singing. So new leaves come to the tree and they also become very excited and they also start singing. The poet says that when you walk down the road, young boys and girls also happily singing and enjoying the rain. So when it's raining, when silver rain comes, what happened? The boys and girls, those who are going on the roadway, they also get very excited. They also start singing when it's raining and enjoy the rain. So lastly, what the poet is saying? In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. So in this paraphrase, the poet is concluding that he says that his reader that situation always changes as the season do in a cycle throughout the year. Every winter, spring, and every sorrowful experience is followed by joy. The arrival of spring is a sign of rebirth and the beginning of a fresh life as we know it also starts once again because of the rain and spring. In short, in time of silver rain indicates the spread of life. So the poet wants to tell that just how the season cycle keeps on changing, so in our life also, after happiness sorrow will come, after sorrow joy will come in our life. So in short, in time of silver rain, this poem indicates the spread of life. Now we'll continue with the exercise that you have to write in your notebook. Now first is meaning: put forth, develop or produce. Silken, like silk. Question number 1. Find the pairs of rhyming words used at the end of the lines in the poem. Rain, again. Again, plain. Heads, spread. Wings, sing. Cry, sky. Too new. Question number 2. Fill in the following blanks with reference to the poem. In the time of rain, when spring and life are new. See, whichever word I have underlined, that is the fill-ups. Are new. The butterfly lifts silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and the trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy. Beneath the sky, as passing boys and girls to go singing down the roadway. Question number 3. Think and answer. Is the poet talking about heavy rain in the rainy season or rain that has come after a long time? So the answer to this question is the poet is talking about rain that has come after a long time. Then of question number 3, second one, are the boys and girls happy that it is raining? Answer is yes, they are happy. Question number 4, if you were to draw a landscape on the basis of this poem, what element will you show in it? What color will you use? So answer to this question is, if I were to draw a landscape on the basis of this poem, I would show the following: the earth, rain, grass, flower, butterfly, rainbow, tree, road, boys and girls. I would use all the colors in many paint box. Question number 5 is, find an example of alliteration from the poem. Alliteration, green grasses grow. So in these three words, G is underlined. That is alliteration. Find some more example of alliteration. First one is, a load of learning lumbering his head. So in this first sentence, L is underlined. L alphabet is underlined. Load, learning and lumbering. Second one is, I spent a sleepless, silent night surrounded by worries. So in spent, sleepless, silent and surrounded. In 4 words, S we have underlined. It is what? Alliteration. So this much for the day, students. Complete your homework. Write all this question answer in your notebook and submit your homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.